Welcome to our video on the power of skip tracing. Have you ever needed to find someone who has gone missing or intentionally disappeared? Whether you're a private investigator, debt collector, or genealogist, skip tracing is a valuable tool that can help you locate people quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll show you what skip tracing is, how it works, and how you can use it to find anyone. Skip tracing is locating individuals who have gone missing or intentionally disappeared. It's a technique used by private investigators, debt collectors, and even genealogists to track down people for various reasons. There are many reasons why someone might disappear. Some people may want to start a new life or escape from an abusive situation, while others may simply be trying to avoid paying debts or avoiding legal consequences. Regardless of the reason, skip tracing can help you locate them. One of the most common uses of skip tracing is in debt collection. When someone owes a debt and disappears, debt collectors can use skip tracing techniques to locate them and start the process of collecting the debt. Skip tracing can also be used in the legal field to locate witnesses, missing heirs, and defendants who have skipped bail. Private investigators use skip tracing to locate missing persons, whether it's a runaway teenager or an adult who has gone missing under suspicious circumstances. Skip tracing can also be used in genealogy to track down missing family members or find information on ancestors. There are many tools and techniques used in skip tracing, including public record searches, online databases, and social media investigations. Private investigators may also use surveillance and other tactics to track down missing individuals. It's important to note that skip tracing can be a sensitive issue, and there are legal and ethical considerations to take into account when using these techniques. Skip tracing is a powerful tool that can help locate anyone who has gone missing or intentionally disappeared. Whether you're a private investigator, debt collector, or genealogist, skip tracing can be an invaluable asset in your work. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what skip tracing is and how it works. Thanks for watching.